Hi, I'm Lewis from Olympus. Today, we will cover the OER-Elite Endoscope Processor E093 error message, indicating alcohol has not been properly supplied to the device. Before using the equipment, be sure to read and understand the details of the instruction manual. As always, please ensure proper protective equipment is worn while maintaining and operating the OER-Elite. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Olympus Technical Assistance Center, otherwise known as TAC, in the event you need additional assistance.
Should you receive a message 087 indicating that alcohol has not been supplied to the device, please follow the instructions on the OER-Elite message display. If the message 087 reoccurs after confirming the amount of alcohol is sufficient and the tubing is in good working order, simply press stop and proceed with the E093 remedial action. Once the stop button is pressed on the OER-Elite display, the E093 error code will appear. Press the OK button. The troubleshooting guide will now display. To resolve this issue, the alcohol line must be primed on the OER-Elite. Obtain the syringe and tube as indicated on the troubleshooting screen. When ready, press the Next button on the touchscreen. Now, follow the troubleshooting steps as outlined on the display. First, connect the provided syringe and tube. Now, disconnect the ventilation tube from the guide on the alcohol tank. Then, fill the syringe with air and insert the tube connected to the syringe all the way into the far end of the alcohol tank ventilation tube. Press OK repeatedly until the error screen is gone. Now, go to the function menu. On the second page, select Alcohol Flush. Then, scan the user ID on the OER-Elite RFID reader. Press the OK button. Press the Start button. Flush the air in the syringe by pressing the plunger the full length of the barrel within 30 seconds. Perform the flush again if necessary. Now, press the Stop button to end the alcohol flush process. You'll note the E000 error code. This is indicative of the end of the process via the Stop button. Press the OK button. You can now disconnect the syringe from the ventilation tube. Disconnect the tube from the cap on the alcohol tank. Insert the ventilation tube into the container guide. Then, remove the tank from the detergent/alcohol drawer. Now, carefully pour the medical-grade 70% ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol into the alcohol tank if replenishment is necessary. If any is spilled, simply wipe it with a clean cloth and tighten the cap. Then, carefully place the alcohol tank back into the detergent/alcohol drawer. Once the tank is seated, attach the tube to the cap of the alcohol tank. You can now close the detergent/alcohol drawer. Be sure to rinse the syringe and tube with running water. Be sure to dry them and store in a clean place.
Welcome back. This concludes troubleshooting the OER-Elite E093 error code. We hope you found the information helpful. As always, don't hesitate to contact our experienced TAC team in the event you need additional assistance. Thanks for watching.